Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we are creating this website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now we are in the process of converting this design into a Blogger template. And this is going to be, I think, the last video in the series. So in this video, I'll show you how to set the title of our Blogger website. So right now it says welcome, and even if you go to any of these posts, it says welcome over here. So we have the same title throughout our website. Now we're going to add different titles to different pages. So if you go to, for example, view all posts, here it should say like all posts or something like that. And if you go to some of these label archive, we should have some different title over here displaying the label name. So we will do all of that in this video. Let's get started. Now before starting with our title, let's go ahead and make some changes to the styling of this text over here. So right now we have this border and I don't think it looks nice for our website. So let's right click over here and go to inspect and let's see how it is structured. So here we have this message body and after that we have this message border. So we need to remove that. So if I set the border to none, we can see that the border is removed. And then we can also add some margin bottom to this, and I think we can set the font size a little lower. So let's tap font size and let's try 14 pixels or let's try 16 pixels. I think that looks all right. So we will do all of this, and I think let's change the background color to white and let's see how it looks. And this is how it looks with white background color, and this also looks all right. Let's change this to a different, let's try F0, F0, F0. Let's also add some padding. Let's type padding of 12 pixels. Alright, now let's add some margin bottom to this wrapper. So status MSG wrapper. And let's add a margin bottom of, let's try 60 pixels. Alright, let's add all these changes to our theme code. So let's go back over here and let's go to theme. Let's click on edit HTML and let's go to the end of our CSS and let's add our custom CSS for the titles of our archive pages. So here I'll just go ahead and copy the selector. So for status MSG wrap, let's add a dot and let's paste it over here and let's set the margin bottom to 60 pixels. And then we have status MSG body. So let's copy the selector and let's paste it over here. And in this we need to add font size of 16, background and this padding. So let's copy all of this. Let's paste it over here. And then we need to remove the border. So let's go over here to this selector. We have status MSG border and we need to remove the border. So let's copy this and let's paste it over here and let's type border none, and let's go ahead and save this. Let's go back to our website and reload, and now we can see it looks all right. Let's go to the search page. So let's search for something. Let's search for image, and for the search results also we have the same styling, so everything looks all right. Right now let's go ahead and change the titles of different pages. So let's go back to our template code. Let's scroll up and let's go to the title. So right now the title is set to welcome. So this is a static title. Let's remove this and let's add some titles dynamically. First of all, let's tap b:if and let's set the condition to data:blog.homepage URL equals data:blog.url. So this will see whether the current URL is the homepage URL. And let's go ahead and close the if condition right here. And here let's set the title and let's set the title to data:blog.page title. And let's save this. Let's see how it looks. Let's go back to our website and reload. And now we can see that the title is being displayed over here. So if you go back to the dashboard of your website, so this is my dashboard, and let's go to settings. And here we can see we have the title. So you can change this title over here and it will be reflected in this title right here. So let's change the title to Live Blogger Official and let's see whether it changes. and let's click on save. Let's go back over here and reload. And now we can see that the title says Live Blogger Official, so it is working alright. Now if you go to this list of posts, here we can see that we have the title set to the URL. So we need to change that. So let's go back, and here let's add an else. Let's type b:\else, and let's type b:\if, and let's set the condition to something different than the homepage URL. So first of all, we'll set the condition for a single item. So let's open this one right here, and let's go back over here. So let's type data::blog.page_type in, and here let's type item or static page. So this will check whether we are on a single page or a single post. And let's close the if condition right here, and here let's add a title, and let's set the title to data::blog.page_name, and let's add a hyphen, and then let's type data::blog.title. So this will set the page name over here, and after that it will set the blog title. So let's go ahead and click on save. Let's go back over here and reload. And now we can see that the title says best image generation tools out there, and after that we have a hyphen and we have the name of our website. So it is working alright. It will work the same for any single page you have as well. Right now let's go ahead and add the title for the labels archive. So let's open technology. So here we can see all the posts with the label technology is being displayed over here. So let's add a title for that. Let's go back over here, and here let's add an else. So let's type b::else, and let's add a if condition over here. Let's close the if condition right here, and for the condition let's type data::view.is_label search, and here let's set the title to posts tagged, and here let's add the label name. So for that you can just type data::blog.search label, and then let's add the title of our blog. So let's type data::blog.title, and let's close the title tag over here, and let's see whether this works. Let's click on save, and let's go back over here and reload. And now we can see it says posts tagged technology, and then we have the title of our blog. So this will display the label name, and this will display the title. Right now let's do the same for the search. So if you search for something, let's type image, and let's add the title for this. Let's go back, and here let's add an else, and let's create an if condition. And let's close the if condition right here, and for the condition let's type data::view.is_search, and here for the title let's go ahead and type search results for, and here let's type data::blog.search query, and let's add a hyphen, and let's add the data::blog.title tag over here, so it will display the blog title. And let's go ahead and click on save. Let's go back over here and reload, and now we can see it says search results for, and then we have the search term, and then we have the title of our blog. Right now let's add the title for the 404 page. So let's add some random URL over here, and right now it says this link over here. So we need to add a custom title over here. So here let's add another else. So let's type b::else, and let's add an if condition over here, and let's close the if condition, and here let's add the title, and for the condition we need to type data::blog.page_type, and let's see whether it is an error page. So let's type error page over here, and here let's type page not found, and let's add the blog title. So let's type blog title over here, and let's click on save. Let's go back to our website and reload, and now we can see it says page not found, Live Blogger Official, and everything is working alright. Let's go to the home page. We have the correct title over here. Let's go to one of these posts. We have the correct title over here as well. Right now, if you go to the list of all the posts, we need to have a different title over here. So right now it says search results for, and we have this error over here. So for that, let's go back and we need to add it differently because this is basically a search page and we're not adding any search query over here, but this is basically a search page. So let's add an if condition right here. And for the condition, let's go ahead and type data colon blog dot page type in index. So if it is an index page, which means a list of posts, and data colon blog dot page name equals blank. So if this is the case, which means it is this page with a list of all the posts, then for now I'll just type all posts over here. Let's see whether this works. Let's save this. Let's go back to our website and reload. And here we can see it says all posts, and let's go to the search page. Let's search for something. And here we can see it says search results for image. So here let's also add the blog title. So let's type hyphen data colon blog dot title, and let's save this. Let's go back to our website, and here it works all right. Let's go to a list of all the blog posts, and here it says all posts. So everything is working all right. So in this way, you can add different titles based on your page in your Blogger website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.